There are plenty of oven cleaning hacks to make the chore less laborious, but none are as reliable as a grease-fighting oven cleaner. Standout oven cleaners effectively remove tough grease and grime, require little to no scrubbing, and leave no residue behind. Finding the perfect oven cleaners can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best oven cleaners trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Easy Off Fume-Free Oven Cleaner. If your oven doesn't require a thorough deep cleaning, we recommend Easy Off Oven Cleaner for weekly and monthly maintenance. While we wouldn't recommend this solution for super greasy spots, it's still worth considering for ovens with minimal burn-on mess. This spray is one of the neatest options we tested. It has a controlled, concentrated stream, making it easy to aim the solution where you need it. However, it has a long wait time of 1 hour and 15 minutes. So this is another solution that you'll want to incorporate into a weekend cleaning session rather than a post-dinner cleanup. The solution also meets its promise of being fume-free. We didn't feel overwhelmed by heavily scented chemicals when cleaning with this option, and it even has a pleasant lemon smell that slowly dissipates. Our main disappointment with this cleaner is that it did not foam as we expected it to upon application. The directions suggest the solution foams as it removes dirt and grime, but we wiped a watery spray out of our oven. That said, we love that this cleaner leaves no residue once wiped away. Number 2. Zepp Oven and Grill Cleaner. Like our best overall pick, the Zepp Heavy Duty Oven and Grill Cleaner is a foam-based spray that effectively clings to stains and melts away grease and grime almost immediately after applying. Plus, this cleaner sprays wide and evenly, coating the entire oven surface. We recommend waiting 10 minutes for the solution to saturate, which should allow you to remove most of the dirt with a cloth or scrub brush. Expect areas with hard, baked-on pieces to require a more thorough scrub. Stains that don't lift right away just require a second spritz of spray and a few passes with a razor, in our experience. Like most Zepp cleaning products, this oven cleaner has an intense chemical smell that may be too overwhelming for some. However, for those who don't mind the scent, its effectiveness outweighs the strong odor. Number 3. Goo-Gone Oven and Grill Cleaner. With a foam-based formula that clings to the surface, the Goo-Gone Oven and Grill Cleaner removes years' worth of baked-on grease with minimal effort. This heavy-duty cleaner requires little to no wiping, practically melting stubborn oven grease stains away. The spray is easy to use, but it does spray a bit aggressively, so you may have to wipe off the excess splatter on nearby walls and countertops. Still, with its quick-acting foam-based formula, the solution only had to sit for 5 minutes, which is the shortest wait time among all the solutions we tested. All in all, we think this powerful cleaner does an amazing job of getting rid of grease, which really lives up to the Goo-Gone brand name. We love that you can physically see the cleaner lift away grease stains from oven components. Number 4. Carbona Oven Cleaner. The Carbona Oven Cleaner Spray is the perfect cleaning solution for weekends when you have the extra time to deep clean and give your oven some TLC. This spray has a wait time of 4 hours, but it turns stubborn grease stains into a brown liquid goo that's a breeze to wipe up with a wet cloth. Tougher, baked-on spots may require additional scrubbing, but even in such instances, we didn't have to apply a lot of force and elbow grease. Simply wiping away stains is mind-blowing. Although listed as unscented, this spray does have a chlorine-like odor, but it's not overwhelming and does not linger. The scent dissipates after you wipe down the oven. You can also let the solution sit for just 20 minutes for a quicker, daily clean. Number 5. Everneat Oven Scrub Cleaner. As a home sewist with 20 years of experience, I've come to learn that the Oliso Smart Irons are the Cadillac of steam irons for sewists and quilters. This is due to the small built-in stand that automatically pops out from the faceplate when you remove your hand from the handle, which allows the iron to stay hot and horizontal on your ironing board. Most irons time out after a certain number of minutes, and this model solves the problem of repeatedly having to wait for the iron to reheat after it's been inactive. That said, my only caveat about this option is that it's hard to justify the price of a $200 iron. For this reason, I also recommend the Butyral High Power 1800W steam iron as a more basic option that forgoes a lot of the bells and whistles, which also makes it less expensive. I own this iron personally, and the main feature that I really love is the setting selection button. It's located on the front side of the iron and is much better than a dial underneath the handle that you could accidentally change if you brush against it. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.